What seems like a bit of relaxation of public health and social measures plus inequitable vaccination may be driving the spread of the COVID-19 variants, as explained by the Director General of the World Health Organization, WHO, Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus.
Globally, we're now seeing a plateau in the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths, with declines in most regions, including the Americas and Europe, the two worst affected regions. But it is an unacceptably high plateau, with more than 5.4 million reported cases and almost 90,000 deaths last week.
Speaking at a press conference in Geneva, Switzerland, the WHO boss announced that the organization's foundation is launching the Together for India appeal to raise funds to support the WHO work in India.
The shocking global disparity in access to vaccines remains one of the biggest risks to ending the pandemic.
At the closing session of the 2021 Financing for Development Forum in New York, United Nations Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed reiterated the importance of assistance to developing countries to overcome the health and economic crisis occasioned by the pandemic.
The diverging world that we are hurtling towards is a catastrophe for all of us. It is both morally right and economically rational to help developing countries overcome this crisis. While the efforts made so far to support the most vulnerable are welcome, they remain insufficient to avoid the risk of a lost decade of development. Extraordinary measures continue to be critical to keep vulnerable economies afloat. We also need structural transformations to protect the global economy against future crises and to secure a brighter future for all. While some countries near a vaccination rate of 1/3 of their population, the average in Africa remains under 1%. This is a moral blight on the international community, and we call on all governments, development partners and private sector actors to finance equitable vaccination for all as a matter of utmost urgency. To start, we must close the funding gap and fill the COVAX facility. The challenges we face today go beyond COVID-19 and include the climate crisis, drought, hunger, malnutrition, heightened insecurity, all of which exacerbated by the long-term economic effects of the inequality virus. Our recovery efforts must tackle all of these challenges head-on. As we close the forum, I urge us all to take immediate action for a timely and adequate global response that would put us back on track for a prosperous, sustainable and equal world and the implementation of Agenda 2030.